Did you know that 2 billion tons of agricultural waste is produced yearly? Agricultural waste can either be from farming related waste while harvesting or industrial production waste like inedible parts of fruits, such as shells from rice, wheat, corn. We usually discard them most of the time because they lack nutritional usage. For example, in 1 kilogram of rice produced, only 48% is edible rice, with the remainder being impurities, rice straws, and rice husks. And Thailand produces 30 million metric tons of rice yearly. This could mean that they have a lot of waste. With each harvest, these wastes can pile up, taking up more space. So, in countries with less regulations on disposal, farmers burn these wastes to clean up space for their next batch, which leads to issues such as pollution or PM2.5. In 2018, in Thailand, the emission from rice waste burning consisted of 7.6 megaton of CO2 or 70 kiloton of PM2.5. Our goal is to take that waste and give you cleaner air by taking a byproduct like rice husk and upcycling it into thin sheets of air filters, much like a normal AC filter but made from rice husk. It's an eco-friendly air purifying filter that absorbs pollutants, odors, and enhances the air quality around you. Simply replace them in ACs in your homes or offices or in air vents in malls or factories and breathe the difference. We aim to turn potential trash into life-saving treasure. Husk will provide you with a natural air purifying filter that is also a pollutant killer, an odor destroyer, and air quality enhancer. It's an eco-friendly air filter made from rice husk that can absorb 90% of pollutants, also removing the rice husk waste up to 180 grams per unit. Better in comparison to typical AC filters, which can only absorb 40% of large pollutants, which is also energy intense for production and also releases chemical emissions. But compared to pleated fabric filters, which can remove 90% of pollutants, balance production to emission, we are equal in quality. We're using a method called partial carbonization. This concept already exists for candle filters. Some of the candle filters are made of carbonized rice husk. We want to utilize this technology because it offers an eco-friendly and economical solution for purification. To simplify the process, step 1, low temperature carbonization, heating in a low oxygen environment. Step 2, combining the carbonized rice husk with other materials. Step 3, shipping it into the sheets of air filters, resulting in our Husk air filters that is natural, eco-friendly, and sustainable, letting you breathe your fresh air. But the process has its downsides. 1 ton of activated carbon produced is equal to 5 to 6 tons of CO2 and methane gases. So we aim to recycle these gases as fuel for production to improve our sustainability. In the air filter market, there are these typical AC filters, premium pleated fabric air filter, or the high-end HEPA filters, but most ACs only come with typical filters to reduce costs. According to our survey of 150 people, 2/3 of the people are concerned about air quality, 3/4 of the people uses air purifiers to protect themselves, and another 3/4 are interested in eco-friendly air filters made from rice husks. The characteristics of these people are aged 20 to 55, living in urban areas, medium income, health conscious, and environmentally friendly. And while analyzing the global market for air purifiers or air filters, we have HEPA filters, activated carbon, etc. We can see a 7.1% growth annually, estimated around 2020 to 2030. This can be a great potential entry for us, supplying the market with alternatives that can be convenient, cheap, and safer for consumers. We aim to sell to individuals of age 20 to 55 who frequent air purification products and concerned about air quality. There are a ton of AC or AC filters in the market. To mention a few of our direct competitors, we have Mitsubishi AC filter, priced at about $9. It's an average fiberglass filter. It's a replacement AC filter. Or we have Daikin pleated fabric AC filter, priced at about $20. It absorbs pollutants greatly. It's a well-known AC filter brand. So to compare our price to them, the production cost of our product is about $8. This includes collecting rice husk, carbonization, manufacturing, etc. And to produce 1,000 to 1,500 of our product could cost about $16,000. So our final price with 60% margin is about $16. At this price, we are still much more affordable and cheaper than our competitors. So our business plan includes B2C sales, selling online or retail, or having maintenance services, selling on Lazada, Powerbuy, Amazon. B2B plus manufacturing supplies, selling our filter components to sustainability-focused companies like Briv, or contracts with offices, hotels, and etc. For example, Marriott, because they are known for their sustainability approach. Applying for carbon credit revenue to get extra income, licensing and patent on our rice carbonized filter to create passive income, or memberships and loyalty plans. To start, we have R&D and production, and in year 1, we aim to sell 750 units, sell online, get patent, and focusing on brand image. And after that, we have our break-even point in year 2, selling 2,000 units, contracts with businesses, and improving our product quality, activated carbon plus HEP filters. In year 3, we aim to sell 4,000 units, expanding to markets in Singapore or Malaysia, and localizing production. And in year 4, we aim to sell 6,000 units, diversifying our product lineup with air purifiers and car ACs. So, what does our impact look like? Of course, Husk's goal is to reduce waste and air pollution. If Thailand produces 30 million metric ton of rice yearly, it results in 13 million metric ton of rice husk. Assuming Husk can recycle just 0.1%, 60,000 ton every year, we can contribute to SDG goal number 3, 12, and 13. And with these goals and 0.1% of rice husk reduced, we can prevent, within our first year, 54,000 ton of CO2 and 380 ton of PM 2.5. And we just continue to scale up and lower more pollution, giving people cleaner air, recycling for less waste, lowering climate issues, less carbon. With Husk, breathe your fresh air. Thank you very much.